It's happened yet again. Actual results have trailed budget by a significant amount. The continuous shortfall from budget has annoyed the hotel owner. He's demanding to know what's going wrong. Hotel managers tend to blame market situations for not achieving budget. However, the fact is, the competition is doing well. Do you want to have continued chaos on your hands? What am I talking about? You want to know. Fair enough. Room revenue is the most important source of hotel revenue, but it needs a focused approach to clear process with the right tools. Using hit or miss approaches is not the way to budget. It only results in targets not achieved consistently. Moreover, the owner is on your case, remember? Knowing where to begin is critical in the revenue budgeting process. You need to start with what I call building blocks of hotel room revenue. Why is this important? For you to end up with a powerful room revenue forecast, you would want that, right? There are 3 stages of the hotel room revenue budget. There is a reason we have broken it down into these 3 stages. We will learn about that shortly. Take a look at what you will end up with Excel as the budget tool. Voila! A final income statement in Microsoft Excel under Uniform System of Accounts, and with current month, year to date for this and last year's, and budget, including the requisite variances. That's the full body. This is the process you will follow for effective budgeting with Excel. You begin with the actuals, then you link the actuals with the budget, and you link them with these important major KPIs. And then all that travels to the rooms department statement. And finally, to the hotel income statement, including variances, as I said before. You'll now go through strategies that unfortunately most hotel managers fail to recognize. It's a huge reason probably why you are behind budget for 5 months consecutively. Would you target the major chunk, almost the entirety of the hotel revenue with a hit or miss approach and risk failure? Want to know how to relate the budget to a real-world hotel profit and loss statement visually? Watch this video. It's explained entirely using a real-world income statement.